Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Shwe Make It Good. Today I am come with a small story, The Brahmin and the Snake. There lived a poor Brahmin in a village. His name was Haridatta. He had a small farm to till, but in spite of all his hard work, nothing grew in his farm. Once, after finishing his work in the farm, he felt so much tired that he fell asleep under a tree. When he woke up, he saw a snake sitting outside a hole at a little distance from him. Seeing the Brahmin, the snake hissed loudly. The Brahmin became frightened. He thought to himself, "It must be Lord Cobra, who is highly annoyed with me because I never offered him milk. This might also be the reason why nothing grows in my farm. So I must offer milk to Lord Cobra and pray to him." The Brahmin offered a bowl of milk to Lord Cobra and prayed to him for wealth and happiness. After finishing the milk, Lord Cobra said to the Brahmin, "I am pleased with you. Bring a bowl of milk for me daily." Then he crawled back into his hole. When the Brahmin went to collect the empty bowl of milk, he was astonished to find a gold coin laying in it. The Brahmin became very happy to get that gold coin. He thought it to be a blessing from Lord Cobra. Thus, he offered a bowl of milk every day to Lord Cobra, and each day he collected gold coin in return from the bowl. In this way, the Brahmin collected hundreds of gold coins. His barren field began yielding a lot of crops. His days had changed. Soon the Brahmin became a rich man. He started a big business in the neighboring town, but he continued tilling his farm as before. Once the Brahmin had to go to a distant town for purchasing seeds of fruits and vegetables. He told his son to look after Lord Cobra and offer him a bowl of milk every day. The Brahmin's son offered a bowl of milk to Lord Cobra every day as instructed by his father. Lord Cobra drank the milk, and soon thereafter a gold coin appeared in the bowl as usual. One day, the son of Brahmin thought to himself, "There must be a lot of gold coins in the stomach of Lord Cobra. What a fool my father was to collect only one gold coin a day." The next day, he kept a bowl of milk outside Lord Cobra hole and waited at a distance with an axe in his hand. As soon as Lord Cobra came out of his hole to drink the milk, the son of Brahmin cut off the neck of Lord Cobra with his axe. Lord Cobra died. The son of the Brahmin slit the stomach of Lord Cobra, but he could not find any gold coin inside it. After a few days, when the Brahmin returned home, he found Lord Cobra dead. He said to his son, "Oh, my foolish son, why did you do this? You killed Lord Cobra. Now we won't get even a single gold coin. It is better you get out of my sight. This is our story. The moral of the story is untruthful actions have no value. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you will enjoy these stories. Soon I will come back with next story. Until then, take care. Stay home, stay safe.